In today's video, I'll show you how to make this crispy, delicious garlic chicken. Flavorful, tasty, and irresistible. Sit back, relax, do enjoy this video. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. You're watching Lyndon Houston Cooking. If you are new here, my name is Lyndon and welcome to the channel. Thanks for visiting and thanks for stopping by. Let's get into the video. In today's video, what you'll learn is how to cook a lovely, delicious, crispy garlic chicken thigh. This is boneless here, and I'm going to show you how to create a lovely dish with this. Here, this partly patted dry, and in this I have some ground season. I make some all-purpose, Linden all-purpose. We're going to start season this. We're going to season both sides. All right, so that should be it. And with this, we're going to set this aside. So in this bowl, which I have here, I have some thyme, and I'm going to put some parsley in this also. Next thing, what I'm going to do, I'm going to crush some garlic. So this here, what I'm making up some garlic butter to go with the chicken. And this is easy to make. You can make this up in advance and keep it in the refrigerator. Next up, we're going to go in with some butter. I'm just going to mix this in. So after you combine everything together, just ensure to put this straight in your fridge. Next up, we're going to put our pan on. Just pour a bit of oil in this, just enough to cover the bottom. So now this is optional, but this is how I'm doing mine. Here, I have a bit of corn flour. So I'm just going to put the chicken in the corn flour like this. I'm going to rest it back over the other side. Next up, we're going to place our chicken thigh in. When you put it in, don't quick to move it, just leave it to sit a little bit. Now, what I'm going to do, this is my first turn. So we're going to turn in. And when you turn in, I'm going to reduce the temperature of the stove now. Now, what I'm going to do now, very interesting part, is garlic butter. I'm going to put some over this. And we're going to put some here on the bottom. Very important. So this is the garlic butter with a bit of herbs. And the next thing I'm going to do, I have a bit of chicken stock. I'm going to pour chicken stock right around. So you're going to have crispy bottom. The bottom going to be soft, and the top going to be nice and crispy. Just use a spoon to just raise it up a little bit like this, and then you're going to have a bit of dew in this. Look how lovely that is. So while the chicken is cooking through, there's something I'm going to show you. Just watch this very carefully. I'm just doing this. This is called a quenelle. And this is my rest of butter going to go over my chicken. All of this is personal preference. So it's like this. I'm going to leave it straight in the fridge just to harden up a bit. So our crispy garlic chicken is ready. Look how lovely this is. So delicious and tasty. Ladies and gentlemen, if you do find value in this content, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, do leave a positive comment. What I'll be doing now, I'm just going to plate this up. Let us see what it look like. So we're just gonna put some of the sauce on the plate like this. Very important. I'm gonna have this with a bit of green beans. And then what I'm gonna do, just gonna put my chicken straight over this. Very simple. And then you have your garlic butter straight on top of that. So ladies and gentlemen, that's the finished product. And thank you so much for watching. Hope you do enjoy this lovely video.